Right, here's the 5000 Beast, running the Coil Tech Gold Stalker 18-inch. Amazing coil this, it's like really precise on its pinpointing. I was quite surprised. It's actually got a better pinpoint than another manufacturer in a 12 to 14 inch, which is quite strange. Right, so we are running in factory default. We are running in try and get this the right way. We're in tracking, mono, normal, deep. There's our power line, straight ahead, straight up above us. Running beautiful and smooth. Just a little bit of a wobble, but easily detectable. And right here on the ground, we actually have a target. I'll see if I can grab this. So there we go, right there. As I said, we are here. There's the coil, and that's the power lines. And we're directly below the power lines right there, and about 20 odd feet above us, because we are on a hill here. And yeah, it's quite amazing to be able to be here, to be able to detect right above the power line. So there you go, Woody. No problems at all. Like I said, I haven't touched anything in the back end. It's all factory default. And tuned coil with the dampening. And that is tuned to the 14x9. So it's working fine with the 18 as well, as we discussed earlier. So that setting is fine. So if you set that to the 14x9, it should work for virtually all coils for the variable dampening. And we're running 3/4 gain under the power line, and a beautiful wedge-tailed eagle above us. And yeah, what can we say? Absolutely fantastic. We'll dig this target and see what it is. I'll come back with it in a minute. Right, we're back. Still in the same spot. That's our little target. A little hole that we dug. Very, very small. And 222 cartridges. Very old. Starting to deteriorate. But there you go, and that's directly under the power lines. And it's a 5000 sitting beside me. That's the 18-inch coil. And there we go. Fantastic. Good on you, Woody. I don't think I've ever been this close to a power line with a 5000 before.